quietly. My flatmate doesn't need to hear that we're losing our poise. Be careful when you close the door and then sit down close beside me. Oh, what is on? From somewhere there is light, pushing up at the right time. Beside me there is light. I got the tiny little feel that this time everything is alright. To catch a bus to anywhere, I will wait for you if we were late. Let's rub around and then sit down close beside me. Oh, what is on? From somewhere there is light.